The child came home from her school, asking her mom for her assignment, which her teacher had given to them.
Mommy, can you help me with my assignment?
Yes, sweetie. Oh, what is it all about, but sweetie?
Mom, look, Mommy, we have an assignment. It's all about neurons, and I forgot it now.
Oh, sweetie, don't worry. Look, I have some friends.
Oh my God, Mommy, is that a fairy?
Yes, sweetie, they are the fairies, and they are the one who will help you with your assignment. So listen well, okay?
Yes, Mommy, I'm listening.
Okay, then fairies, I will leave my child to you, okay? So please take care of her.
Today's topic is, what are minerals? Let's do research on minerals. Perhaps you're confused here. Maybe you have heard about the minerals found in the earth, like iron or copper. But today we're talking about the minerals found in the body in really small quantities. It is time to learn a new definition. Minerals are substances found in the food that help the body grow and stay healthy. Some of their functions are build strong bones, transmit nerve signals, make hormones, and maintain normal heartbeat. I have a question for you. How many minerals are there? Do you have a guess? The answer is 16. Don't worry, I know this is a long list, but we will only learn about 7 important minerals.
Hi, little sweetie!
Hi, fairies.
Are you ready to know the different kinds of minerals? And what can we get from these nutrients? What food can we get from these? And also what can we benefit to our body? So are you ready? So let's go, little sweetie!
So first, what is minerals? Do you have an idea about this? Okay, so minerals are organic substances that the body needs for forming bones, teeth, blood cells, for assisting chemical reactions of cells, and for regulating body fluids. Similar to vitamins, they do provide an energy.
Minerals have different types like this one, the calcium. So what is calcium? Calcium helps build and protects our muscles and teeth. It helps us with our muscles contractions and relaxations, blood clotting and nerve impulse transmission. The examples of food where we can get calcium are yogurt, cheese, milk, tofu, sardines, salmon, fortified juices, and green leafy vegetables. Calcium plays an important role in hormone secretion and enzyme activation. It also helps maintain healthy blood pressure.
So next is chloride. What is chloride? Chloride helps balances the fluids in our body, a component of stomach acid and essential to digestion. The example of the food that we can get from this are like salt or sodium chloride, soy sauce, and also processed foods.
So next is chromium. Chromium helps enhance the activity of insulin, helps maintain normal blood glucose levels, and is needed to free energy from glucose. The example of food that we can get from this are like the meat, the poultry, the eggs, fish, potatoes, some cereals, nuts, and also cheese.
Next is sulfur. Sulfur helps to form bridges that shape and stabilize some protein structures needed for healthy hair, skin, and nail. The food that we can get from this are like the protein-rich foods such as meats, fish, poultry, nuts, and legumes.
Next is zinc. Zinc helps form many enzymes, proteins, and create new cells. Frees vitamin A from storage in the liver and needed for immune system, taste, smells, and wound healing. When taken with certain antioxidants, zinc may delay the progression prevention of age-related muscular degeneration. The food that we can get from this are like the meat, other seafoods, fortified cereals, beans, and nuts. Are you still listening, sweetie?
It's also part of RNA and DNA that also helps convert food into energy. Part of phospholipids, which carry lipids into the blood and help shuttle nutrients into and out of a cell. The foods where we can get it are from a wide variety of foods, including milk and dairy products, fish, meat, poultry, eggs, liver, green peas, and broccoli.
So next is iron. Iron helps hemoglobin in red blood cells and myoglobin in muscle cells carry oxygen throughout the body. Needed for chemical reaction in the body and for making amino acids, collagen, neurotransmitters, and hormones. The food that we can get from these are like the red meat, the poultry, the eggs, the fruits, grain vegetables, fortified breads, and grain products.
And lastly is the potassium. Potassium helps to balance the fluids in our body. It also helps to maintain steady heartbeat and send nerve impulses. Needed for muscle contractions, a diet rich in potassium seems to lower blood pressure. Getting enough potassium from your diet may benefit bones. The food that we can get from this are like the meat, milk, fruits, vegetable, grains, and legumes.
Now, do you learn something from what we have just discussed to you, sweetie? So what you have learned from this?
And I've learned that minerals are those elements in the earth and in foods that our bodies need to develop and function normally. Those essential for health include calcium, phosphorus, potassium, sodium, chloride, magnesium, iron, zinc, iodine, chromium, copper, fluoride, molybdenum, manganese, and selenium. Minerals are important for our body to stay healthy. Our body uses minerals for many different jobs, including keeping our bones, muscles, heart, and brain working properly. Minerals are also important for making enzymes and hormones. And beside on what you all have provided with examples, I have learned that minerals are found in foods like cereals, bread, meat, fish, milk, dairy, nuts, fruit, especially dried fruit, and vegetables. We need more some minerals than others. For example, we need more calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, sodium, potassium, and chloride than we do iron, zinc, iodine, selenium, and copper. First, when I think of minerals, food is not the first thing that may comes to my mind. Are not minerals something I find in the earth like iron and quartz? Well, yes, but small amounts of some minerals are also in foods. For instance, meat is a good source of iron. Like vitamins, minerals help our body grow and stay healthy. The body uses minerals to do many things, from building strong bones to sending nerve impulses. Some minerals are even used to make hormones or maintain a normal heartbeat. And that's all of what I've learned. Thank you.
That is a very good explanation, sweetie. Now you can do your assignment. Do your assignment now, and good luck for it.
Then the clocks ring very loud, which make the child to wake up, and then she realized that it was all a dream. She saw on her table her assignment, which is also about the minerals, and it makes her smile instantly, and then she does her assignment happily because she can able to answer her assignment easily because of her dream.